And immigration has become a hot topic on Tennessee's Capitol Hill. Lawmakers are considering 9 different bills crafted by Tennessee Republicans and the Trump administration. One deals with public benefits for undocumented immigrants, but a local nonprofit is sounding the alarm, saying there will be unintended consequences. Your Capitol Hill reporter, Chris Davis, shares what this would mean for you.
We don't care whether you have insurance or you don't.
The nonprofit Neighborhood Health runs 12 clinics across Middle Tennessee.
We want everyone in Nashville and Middle Tennessee to have access to medical, dental, and behavioral health care services at an affordable price.
But CEO Brian Hale worries a proposed bill could change that.
There are a lot of potential unintended consequences and hidden costs to this legislation.
House Bill 1710 requires all Tennessee state and local governments to verify U.S. citizenship or lawful presence before giving out taxpayer-funded benefits.
The bill would require state and local entities to report undocumented immigrants to the state's Immigration Enforcement Division and would allow the state attorney general to withhold taxpayer money from groups that don't comply.
They do have to verify whether or not they're here legally before they do receive benefits if it's a non-emergency situation.
Obviously, this bill targets undocumented immigrants, but Brian worries this could really impact U.S. citizens that can't find their paperwork.
We're really grateful when we get a full legal name and we get a birth date, but getting a social security number, much less a birth certificate or a passport, that's not going to happen.
That means citizens who can't produce the required paperwork could be classified as undocumented, even if they were born here.
I think this will disproportionately hurt citizens who are homeless, those in domestic violence shelters, those who are being human trafficked. There's any number, even veterans on the street may not have this paperwork.
That could mean Neighborhood Health and nonprofits like it lose their state and local funding they depend on.
Well, if we don't have funding to provide the care, how do we keep the doors open?
Uneven enforcement allows some local governments to avoid accountability.
We wanted to interview Representative Dennis Powers for this story, but he wasn't available Monday. Instead, in a statement, he said, quote, Tennessee taxpayers and families deserve confidence that public benefits funded by their hard-earned tax dollars go only to eligible Tennesseans. I'm your Capitol Hill reporter, Chris Davis, News Channel 5.
Ms. Davis, you're ready.
Hale says if Neighborhood Health loses its funding, it could overwhelm local emergency rooms when people have nowhere else to go. The bill is scheduled to be debated tomorrow in a House committee. We'll keep you posted.